Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Rekta, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the Business Line newspaper headline. So, first of all, uh, Business Line green hydrogen section under that. Good intention is not equal to good policy. Next, know your hydrogen. Next, the quest of white H2. Next, the green methods of producing hydrogen. Next, for these companies, the wait for green hydrogen is over. Then I comes to page number 3 in that no relief Supreme Court gives Google a week to follow CCI orders. Next, India top buyer of Russian crude, private refiners lead. Next, HUL revenue up 16.35%, net rises to rupees 2481 crore. Next, Vedanta to sell global zinc assets to Hindustan Zinc. Next, PhonePe rises $350 million at $12 billion pre-money valuation. Next, panel moots adoption of group insolvency framework in phases. Next, Adani dismisses telecom plans, mulls entry into water segment. Next, 15-year-old Mithil Salunke leads Army's cyber warrior brigade. Then I comes to page number 4 in business line news section under that. Mansi Tata is vice chairman of Toyota Kirloskar Motor. Next, JLR India MD Rohit Suri to retire in March. Next, IT services firm Happiest Mind quarter 3 net profit up 18% year on year. Next, Hindustan Unilever net profit rises 7.9% to rupees 2481 crore in quarter 3. Next, how IPOs of Chennai based firms fared over last 2 years. Next, PhonePe rises $350 million at $32 billion valuation. Next, SEBI probing investments between Nippon Mutual Funds and Yes Bank. Next, Vedanta to sell international zinc assets to InduSend to Hindustan Zinc for $2,981 million. Next, Reliance Cap case Torrent Cities COC minutes to prove Hinduja's revised bid for was deficient. Next, Mondelez India stands play in Choco Bakery segment. Next, Sun Pharma to buy US based concert for $576 million. Next, AU small bank finance PAT up 30% on loan growth. Next, PVR swings to profit in quarter 3. Then it comes to page number 5 in news section under that rise import duty on aluminium products FICCI. Next, Vedanta Crane Oil and Gas appoints new CEO. Next, Jaishankar visits Sri Lanka with strong ties in focus. Next, government increases fee for facilitators to help startups apply for IP. Next, new fee structure. Next, assistant offer. Next, on page number, same है. Next, government may rise payout under PM Kisan to rupees 8,000 year. Next, at $75.6 billion, global VC investment falls for fourth straight quarters. Next, first milestone of monetary policy passed as inflation stays below 6% RBI bulletin. Next, startup fundraising to rebound rapidly. On page number 6 in article section under that, fresh tailwinds. Next, preparing ground afresh for agri credit. Next, digital legal system needed for speedy judge. Next, in letter to editor section under that, taxing time. Next, green energy push. Next, the bleak present. Then I comes to page number 7 in that root out tax aviation. Next, games of skills versus games of chance. Next, budget should not remain silent on setting up GST tribunals. Next, then I comes to 20 years ago today in that Ni Tungadi merge PNB to let depositor draw in full. Next, telecom links in Delhi normal. Next, British warplanes hit Iraqi sites. Next, Budget should not remain silent on setting up GST tribunal. Then I comes to page number 18, market radar section. Under that, rallies India share down 9% after quarter 3 net declines. Next, US stock open lower, extend pullback. Next, Asian Paint shares fall over 2% after poor earnings. Next, mutual funds purchase more Nykaa shares to bring down acquisition cost. Next, Adani FPO mainly to expand shareholder base. Next, Sensex snaps 2-day rally amid global weakness. Next, retail investors HNI will be choosy on IPOs in 2023. Next, BNP Paribas expects Nifty to hit 19,250 by March 2024. Then I comes to page number 10 in a commodity section. Under that, center to decide on extra sugar exports after reviewing supplies. Next, government to take steps to cool down wheat atta prices soon. Next, Malaysian palm oil future. Next, Chicago soybean and corn future. Next, wheat held up at ports after export ban gets sold locally. Next, with the demand from West improving, Greekin exporter grapple with low supply inventory. Next, lithium outlook turns bearish as prices fall. Next, vanilla farming spread to northeast as species board extends support. Next, natural gas futures go long. Next, in 5 years, Godrej aggravate to double oil palm acreage to 1.25 LH. Then I comes to page number 11 in news section. Under that, Tata Boeing JV delivers आपचे chopper fuselage fuselage. Next, Pratt and Whitney to recruit 450 more to its India team. Next, from April 1st, government vehicles over 15 years to be scrapped. Next, State Nodal Agency for RE partner with CMAI for developing carbon market. Next, MEA slams based BBC series on 2002 Gujarat violence. Next, retail sales rose 16% in December over pre-COVID time. Next, Microsoft doubles rupees 16,000 crore investment plan in Telangana. Next, looking at declaring Ram Setu a national heritage momentum center to Supreme Court. Next, Army opens up higher ranks for women officers. Next, as India debates demographic, Sikkim wants more babies. Then I comes to page number 12 in business news section. Under that, Twitter prices blew for Android at $11 month. Next, over $12.7 m goes missing from Usain Bolt's account. Next, Jacinda Ardern to step down as New Zealand PM. Next, Android case startups hell Supreme Court ruling. Next, Indian Premier League. Next, domestic air passenger traffic grew 47% in 2022. Next, smartphone shipments fell 6% last year. Next, Samsung India eyes 75% smartphone business from 5G devices this year. Next, sacked GM workers in India sues company CEO Bara over unpaid compensation. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.